Storz and Bickel.
The Mighty is a portable vaporizer from Storz and Bickel. It contains 2 batteries, a heater, a filling chamber, an electronic temperature control, and a cooling unit with mouthpiece. In order to fill the Mighty, the cooling unit is removed and herbs filled into the filling chamber. Afterwards, the cooling unit is reattached and the Mighty turned on. The operating principle of the Mighty is based on a patented heating technology. During inhalation, air is sucked into the heater. Due to the convection principle, the air is heated up while flowing along the heater in a spiral pattern. At the same time, the filling chamber is heated up based on the conduction principle. As soon as hot air flows through the herbs, active ingredients are vaporized and released into an aerosol that passes the cooling unit, where it cools down before it is inhaled. In the lungs, the active ingredients are absorbed by the alveoli and subsequently introduced into the bloodstream.
Storz and Bickel. Inhale the difference.